Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a really pretty 2009 Harley Davidson CVO Ultra Classic. This bike is just beautiful, the colors. I don't know all the official Harley colors, but this has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It really looks nice, lots of metallic in there. Notice it's got a little spot right here on the front of that fender, right on the edge of it. Then a couple of tiny little rock pecks on it. Got a chrome front end. Up here on the fairing, it's got just a few little rock chips, just really small. If you ride one at all, you can't help that. That front tire will throw them out in front of you. The fairing does its job, it keeps them off of the rider. Heavy duty oil cooler, chrome cover, chrome voltage regulator, nice set of highway pegs, 110 motor with 6-speed. Got a rider's backrest here. Notice the seat's starting to kind of come apart right in there a little bit. Put you some nice Avon hand grips on there. It's got all the chrome CVO stuff up here, the switch housings, levers, billet style CVO mirrors, steel braided lines and cables. See if I can get in here one-handed. It's got all your keys and fobs and all that stuff in here. Bag liners. Thought I saw a little scratch right across there. Spot right up here on the tour pack lid. Inside the tour pack looks good. Luggage rack. I don't know what these mufflers are, but they got a real nice sound to them. I don't think they're factory because they got that little machined out part in there. Good tire on the rear. Looks like a little spot on the bottom of the lid of the bag. A little bitty spot right there. A little Willie G skull action going on. GPS mount, 3-pouch windshield bag, AM FM CD, full instrumentation, electronic cruise control. The bike's got 33,215 miles on it. Screaming Eagle. Pretty sweet. Really like the way those mufflers sound. Nice mellow sounds, not too harsh. Rims look real nice. If you'd like to know more about this, well, it's got anti-lock brakes too. If you'd like to know more about this Screaming Eagle Ultra, give our sales team a call at 888-400-1151. Looks like you may have got a little too close to the wall right there. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. This one qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.